Hey everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and today I'm going to share with you how I am creating an ebook on Canva. Now this takes a couple of steps. First of all, I started by searching, I started at home, okay, and then here I searched magazine cover. And then I just kind of went down and picked one that I thought would look kind of fit my style, I guess. So I picked this one, and I'm using this for the partner with Anthony, so I didn't want pink. So what I did was I took this pink and I made it, let's just say this color here. And then here, I believe what I did was I just took this and I wrote out partner with Anthony. Okay, so then I stretched this out so that it was a little bit bigger so that it fit well. And I made some other changes, and I'll show you those in a minute. But I went ahead and changed this up the way that I wanted, and I made the colors all fit to kind of a little bit more blue color than I'm getting here right now. And then I double clicked on the picture and I went to my uploads and excuse me, my folders where I have uploaded some things from Partner with Anthony that he has shared with us, some things from his Instagram account to get good pictures and stuff. And then I used this one here. Okay, so that's kind of sort of what I did. And what I did was then the next thing I did was go over here and I downloaded it. Now I downloaded it as a PNG, which you'll need to do. So I downloaded that to my computer. Then here you can tell that it's a little bit different color. But then what I did was I uploaded it back into Canva as an image. And then I went to content, and I picked a content page, which is this one here, a table of contents. Then I brought that same image in here, and this one, the one that I used was, it was a colored one. I didn't think it was down quite that far. I'm not seeing it here right now. But it doesn't matter. I picked one over here, and just so that you could see how that the table of contents is work. Now I haven't changed any of these, but these would presumably be chapters. Okay, and then I added a little strip on the bottom here that matches this up here, just kind of to give it some perceived value. Anthony talks about that, that you want to make it appear that it has more perceived value. And then I added a page here, and again I used one of these pages, but I just kind of used this little insignia here which you would want to edit to fit whatever ebook that you're working on. And then I have this chapter box, and then I have the text box. And you can use bullet points or whatever you want in there. But then what I will do is just continue adding another page. Probably the easiest thing to do from this point on would be to just to copy this page and then just quickly change that if you need to, or highlight the wording here, get rid of this wording, and continue on with your ebook there. But that's a really nifty way that you can create an ebook. And then once you have your ebook completely finished, then when you go to download, you're probably going to want to download it as a PDF. And then you will have that PDF document that you can share in your ClickFunnels or put up in your Google Docs and give away as a free item, or possibly it's an item that you wish to sell. But that's an easy way that you can do it since you're all getting kind of familiar with Canva. It's an easy way to go ahead and create a book right within this program. So that's the end of the video for today. I wish you all huge amounts of success, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.